Now, vote of thanks by Dr. K.P. Shivanand, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering.
Let me first of all start the vote of thanks by submitting my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumara Swamiji of Siddhaganga Mutt. Reverend Swamiji, Honorable Chief Guest, invited dignitaries, principal, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. John F. Kennedy once says, and I quote, "As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not our utter words, but to live by them." Gratitude is the attitude that takes you to your altitude. First and foremost, I submit my respectful pranams and thanks to Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu, President, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, for his divine presence, who, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion and for making today's occasion a success. I, on behalf of the entire Siddhaganga Institute of Technology fraternity, extend a very hearty vote of thanks. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude. On behalf of our institute, I would like to thank our chief guest of today's function, Mr. E.S. Chakravarti, Head of Global Resource Management, Tata Consultancy Service, Bangalore, for inaugurating this function and sharing his experience with this august audience and providing valuable advice to newly admitted budding engineers of our institute. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to Sri E.S. Chakravarti on this occasion. We are grateful to Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, the chief guest of today's function, and Secretary, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, Siddhaganga Mutt, for attending this function and gracing this occasion. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to Sri T.K. Nanjundappa. I take this opportunity to extend our most sincere thanks to our beloved director, Dr. M. N. Channavasappa, for presiding over this function and gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir, for your valuable advice to our budding engineers. I extend my sincere thanks to our beloved principal, Dr. Shivakumar Ayya, who is the guiding force for arranging this function. An event of this type can't happen without his hard work. I once again thank him for arranging this function. Also, I submit my respectful thanks to Sri Srinivas Ramanujam from TCS, Mr. Benzin, HR Department, and Mrs. Sindhu from TCS for their presence in this function. I would like to thank the newly admitted students and their parents community present here. Because of your participation and presence, we are able to pull such an important event. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our HODs, faculty, both teaching and non-teaching, colleagues, hostel wardens, media and public relations for attending this function. I thank everyone for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of task beyond their comfort zones. Thank you all for being with us this day. It has been a great pleasure. Thank you very much.